Market opens in 1 minute. It's Friday the 13th. Got my eyes on this data high from CPI that was left intact. I did the CPI method and I accidentally traded paper like an idiot and didn't pass an account, so that was all for nothing. I would like to see how this 5 minute gets treated. We're currently holding a 15 minute. On the higher time frame, we are delivering out of this 4 hour imbalance and we have an unmitigated 4 hour gap above. So I want to see price go higher today. Market open just now. It's a really good wick to target. I feel like another thing I gotta realize about my trading is like I don't have to take a trade. I feel like most days I have been, kind of no matter what, but that shouldn't be the case. It should be the other way around. Tap the 4 hour one more time there. Put in this 30-second order block, I might enter and have a break-even point at the wick, which we did. Oh shit, no we did not. Well, instantly lost $200. All right, now we'll get in on order block. I'm gonna go TP at data high, break even here. It's gonna be a quick break even. Going for 1-to-1 on this. Moving my stop up a little bit. Go break even once we take the high we just made. If we do. gonna have to keep my stop down here. Stopped out for a pretty stupid loss, not gonna lie. No real valid entry. I did like the entry, but I should have went break even when I said I would, and I didn't. So much. Just lost a bunch of money. Take this 30-second if we get it. Couldn't tell you why. I just entered a short there. Literally couldn't tell you why. out there, $1,000 short. I said, I couldn't tell you why I entered a trade, but when I was on the 15-second chart and I was looking at this, I was thinking, this breaker block here failed. Well, this order block failed, right? So that's this here, and then that was closed through. So then this becomes a breaker. So we had a breaker here, and then when price started to retrace up into this, which is the order block, right around here, well, once it, came down, and then this candle coming up here, well, I knew this would have become a breaker because of this order block being closed through and disrespected. I knew once we closed down here, it would be a breaker block, so I didn't even wait for a retest. I just kind of took it. I said I don't know why I took it, because it was just rushed. But the draw to me seemed likely once we had failed to disrespect these bearish PD rays, such as here. Yeah, in hindsight, not too bad of a trade, but still not like it. Now we have data highs above still. Could probably get there at some point today. So I'm gonna end the video there, but pretty shitty day of trading. And yeah, so I did the CPI method where you mark out 30 points above and below. So like here, whatever, and down. I'm not saying that's 30 points, but then you do a buy stop and a sell stop. So you do a buy stop here. With that, you put your take profits, and then you do a sell stop on the bottom, take your take profits. And it went up, and I made 5K, but it was on paper and not on my eval. So it's disappointing, but it's fine. Yeah, let's get a good start to next week. And next time we have CPI, I'm not going to miss it. I'm going to be ready with like a few Apex accounts or Alpha Futures or something. But until then, I'm trading this eval. Wait, do we get a 2-minute here? This might be a good 1 minute if we get it. Might be interested in this 1 minute. I'll take this 1 minute. Where do we go break even? I feel like we go break even at this wick here. Go break even now. If I'm being honest, I'd rather have this a risk-free trade. Be modest and put my full TP at this high instead of the data high. Alright, so this actually turned out being a pretty good day. With this 1 minute inversion, it was highest time frame on the leg. There was no other, and that gives us a 3 minute order block. And I was modest with the take profit. It's gonna take that high, but yeah, this in hindsight, we managed pretty well. I feel like the first short was kind of impulsive, but that's just something that starts to happen with long-term trading as you get intuition of just, tons of hours on the chart, and you start seeing things more quickly and just kind of like a language, right? But this long was a momentum long. It's pretty easy. We're gonna go straight to data high, but you know, I don't mind these trades. Now, if I would have passed the eval and then taken this on there, that would have been great. But it's just not how life works. So I want to trade this account responsibly and take it to funded, like really responsibly. Next week is going to be the most locked in I've been. So until then, I'm gonna end the video here.